안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to show you how to make a perfect sauce that goes well with grilled beef. Here's the sirloin, the steak that we'll be using today. Let's say you need this much of salt for seasoning. Today you'll be using only a little bit, this much. Lightly seasoned because we'll be making this dipping sauce for the steak. And set it aside for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to make a sauce. If you're making big quantity of this garlic dipping sauce, you can use a cutter or a blender, but I'm chopping using the knife. Finely means lots of garlic. Depending on how spicy you want your sauce to be, adjust the amount of the chili. And if you're using very spicy chili, reduce it. Finely chop them. Now, let's make a sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half tablespoon chopped green chili, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half or 1 tablespoon of honey, and mix well. Let's cook the beef. Heat the pan over medium-high heat. Drizzle a little bit of cooking oil and place the meat into the pan. Cook the beef until golden brown on both sides. And then slice the beef into bite-sized pieces and transfer to a plate. Grab a piece of beef and dip in a garlic chili sauce. Most people associate Korean barbecue with marinated meat, but if you have fresh, good quality of beef, this sauce is a must to try. It's really easy to make and it's delicious.